Now. Oh shit. We're about to do tail light on this M35. Some people, they are specific. So let's start this. Let's pop the trunk. Boom. Pop it there. If that don't work, go inside. We're gonna have to remove this shit right here to get to the driver's side tail light. You're gonna do the driver's side and you do the passenger side same way as the driver. Okay? Should be clips here. They're missing. Should be one down here. There's one. Boom. Should be one over here like this. Boom. One there. And one here. Alright, let's grab the flathead. Pop that out. Okay. Since this one's over here, let's start down here. Since the top one is missing, start here. Boom. Okay. Boom. Let's do the passenger side. Okay. Boom. And up here. Last one. Now, get your other flathead. I use this. Get up under here, like so. Pop it up. Be careful. Slowly. Shit. Grab up on here. Okay, lift up like that. Put your hand. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Okay. This connector, remove this. Okay. Put that somewhere. Trunk, put in the trunk right there. Now, you have to fold this right here. Boom. I'll take it out, not fold it. Take that out. Pull this back just to get to this connector. Unplug it. Unplug this. Okay. Boom. Man, that was a tough one. Now, let's show you where the bolts are for this shit. Use your flathead again. Pop this out. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay, so you're gonna have to grab it from here to pop it out. Like that. Boom. And bolts right here. 10. 10. So both these. 1, 2. 10 right here. This one. 10 right here. 2. Now, be careful. Let's remove this slowly. Boom. There it is. There it is. If you need to change your turn signal bulb, right here. Twist this off. That. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Boom. Bulb. Twist. Take it out. There you go. Here's your bulb. Now, let's put it back. Boom. Twist it. Twist this back. Okay. Hey, now let's put the shit back. Same way we took it out. Boom. Put this here. Okay, put your 10 bolts. 1, 2. Put the cap back on there, like so. Make sure this goes inside here. Push it in. Boom. Alright, should be good. Now, plug your connector. Connector over there. Alright, boom. Stack. Let's put this thing over here on the side. Don't forget that. Now let's put this. Plug this in first. Right here. Okay, boom. Make sure this is like under the carpet. So you gotta lift the carpet up. Put this, sit on it. Let it sit right here. Right along over here. Let me show you. Okay. Once it's like this, you see how it's sitting on there. Put these back. Oh well, put this back in this hole. See the, see, right in there. Okay, like that. Boom. Push down. Okay, let's put the clips back on there. There's one right here. One up here. Okay, so I replaced all the ones that was missing with one of mines that I had in stock. Alright, so all 6 of those done. Well, that's it. So don't forget to test your light, see if it works, signal light, all that. And that's it, man. If you have any questions, comment below. Give me an Instagram, Jules Mechanics. And don't forget to give me a like, it helps you out. And subscribe. Later.